Hi everyone and welcome back to Online Tech Tips. If you're in the market for an Apple Pencil but aren't sure which one to choose, you have come to the right place. Because today I'm breaking down the difference between the Apple Pencil first generation and second generation and the new USB-C version. With 3 options on the table, it can be a bit confusing to pick the perfect match for your iPad. So let's look at the decision and make it a whole lot easier. First, the latest Apple Pencil, the Apple Pencil USB-C. Apple shook things up by introducing the Apple Pencil USB-C in October 2023. This new edition isn't a replacement for the existing models, but rather an alternative that coexists with them. We have 3 Apple Pencils, the original first gen at $89, the second gen at $119, and the USB-C version at $69. Let's compare these models across different criteria, design compatibility features, and charging methods. First up, let's talk about the design. The original first-gen Apple Pencil measures 6.92 inches in length and has a diameter of 0.35 inches. It has a glossy plastic finish, which can be a bit slippery and prone to rolling off surfaces. The second-gen Apple Pencil is slightly shorter at 6.53 inches, but maintains the same diameter. It features a matte plastic build with a flat side, making it more comfortable to hold and preventing it from rolling away. The new Apple Pencil USB-C is the most compact of the 3, measuring 6.1 inches in length with a smaller diameter of 0.29 inches. It also has a matte finish and a flat side for a comfortable grip. All 3 models have replaceable tips, which is great for longevity. Compatibility is crucial when picking an Apple Pencil, so here's the quick rundown. Apple Pencil first generation works with iPad Pro 12.9 inch first and second gen, iPad Pro 10.5 inch, 9.7 inch, iPad Air 3rd gen, iPad Mini 5th gen, iPad 6 to 10th gen, and then the Apple Pencil 2nd generation works with the iPad Pro 12.9 3rd to 6th gen, iPad Pro 11 1st to 4th gen, iPad Air 4th and 5th gen, iPad Mini 6th gen, and that's it. For the USB-C, well, it only works with the iPad Pro 12.9 3rd to 6th gen, iPad Pro 11 1st to 4th gen, iPad Air 4th and 5th gen, iPad Mini 6th gen, and the 10th generation iPad, basically the USB-C iPads. So, if you have a newer iPad model with a USB-C port, the new USB-C Apple Pencil might be the way to go. However, if you're using an older iPad, you'll likely need the first generation pencil. All 3 Apple Pencils offer pixel-level precision, low latency, and tilt sensitivity, giving you a smooth and responsive experience. But there are some differences. For the first generation Apple Pencil, it supports pressure sensitivity, basic features suitable for note-taking and sketching, and that's pretty much it. The second generation Apple Pencil includes everything that the first gen can do, but adds magnetic attachment for easy storage. It also has wireless pairing and charging, a double tap feature to switch tools, and hover functionality on compatible iPads. You can also get free engraving when purchasing from Apple directly. Finally, with the Apple Pencil USB-C model, it supports tilt sensitivity and low latency, it lacks pressure sensitivity, includes magnetic attachment but not for charging, does not have the double tap feature, and it's a more budget-friendly option. Let's talk about pairing and charging. The first gen Apple Pencil pairs and charges via Lightning connector under a removable cap. It's going to be pretty awkward to plug into the iPad's Lightning port. The second generation Apple Pencil attaches magnetically to the side of compatible iPads. That's way more convenient, and that's actually the one that I use. It pairs and charges wirelessly and is extremely convenient and keeps the pencil handy. For the USB-C pencil, it features a built-in USB-C port under a sliding cap. It pairs and charges using a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is pretty inconvenient. It can attach magnetically to the iPad, but it doesn't charge that way. You can purchase all 3 models from the Apple Store or online retailers like Amazon, and of course, the prices will vary based on when you watch this video. So which Apple Pencil is best for you? Ultimately, the best Apple Pencil for you depends on your iPad model, your budget, and the features you need. You should go for the first generation if you have an older iPad with a Lightning port, because that's pretty much your only option. You should choose the second generation if you want the full suite of features like pressure sensitivity, wireless charging, and the double tap function. And then you should pick the USB-C version if you're looking for a budget-friendly option compatible with newer iPads and don't mind missing on some of the advanced features. Choosing the right Apple Pencil doesn't have to be confusing. By understanding the difference between the first gen, second gen, and USB-C versions, you can pick the one that best fits your needs and your iPad. I hope this breakdown helps simplify your decision. If you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. See you next time.